My name is Kim Bernard, and I live in Rockland, Maine, and I'm an artist. And I like to make work that is public, uses recycled materials, is interactive, which means you get to touch it, involves the community. I like to get people involved in making my work with me, and is kinetic, which means that it moves.
When I was your age, there was a lot of trash on the ground. People would drop their garbage anywhere or throw it out of car windows. I remember there was this little owl who used to say, "Give a hoot, don't pollute." There was also a commercial with a Native American who looked out on the landscape with a tear in his eye, sad over how his ancestors' land had been destroyed with litter. From that very early time, I learned how important it was to take care of our earth. This year, I took a pledge not to buy anything new or throw anything away. Most recently, I've been using recycled materials to make art. This accounts for a fraction of my work, but my goal is to have 100% of my sculptural work be created out of recycled materials. Ideally, out of a material that can be shaped, molded, colored, and is durable. So what's the big idea, you say? I'm embarking on a big plastic upcycling project where I'll be turning plastic trash into sculptural installations that inspire and raise awareness about preserving our precious natural resources. The 4 machines are compact and portable, allowing me to create upcycled plastic sculptural installations in schools, art centers, neighborhood communities, and public settings, where the local community will, after being encouraged to collect plastic, deposit their plastic waste into one end of the machine, and a new malleable plastic will emerge from the other end, kind of like a giant Play-Doh pump. I will then, with the participation of the community, use the newly upcycled, extruded, and molded plastic to create on-location sculptural installations. Here are some of the designs for installation that I've created. Potential communities and settings might include K-12 schools, libraries, museums, and of course, workshops. In all scenarios, the public will bring their plastic to the designated location where we will shred, inject, compress, and extrude upcycled plastic into sculptural parts to be included in the sculptural installation.
Hey everyone, so today I'm in the studio and I'm going to be using my shredder for the first time. So I've got a whole bag of clear #1 plastic that I've broken up into smaller bits, and I'm about ready to turn on the shredding machine and grind it up into tiny bits. Here we go. So all that plastic, which was about half a paper bag of cut out plastic, is now in these small bits. That produced a fair amount, about a liter, I'd say. Of shredded plastic. So now I can melt it and extrude it and mold it and turn it into sculpture.
As a visiting artist, I will engage a group of participants in a plastic collection effort, then teach them how to process it into a new form. The machines are only one component of a much larger initiative to create art using recycled materials that transcend their trashy history.
Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate your interest in my work. If you're interested in getting involved in my portable upcycling Machines for Plastic project, you can help out by collecting plastic. I especially want clean, label-free, colorful plastic numbers 1 through 7. You can get in touch with me through my website or by emailing me at info@kimbernard.com.